NOBW, NOBO meet Finance Minister on banking issues. Representatives of the National Organization of Bank Workers, NOBW, and National Organization of Bank Officers, NOBO, met the Finance Minister to discuss several long-pending employee issues. Their memorandum focused on pension revision, industrial relations, recruitment, and other matters affecting bank employees and retirees. IBA, IBOC and NCBE seek DFS review. Major banking unions, including IBA, IBOC and NCBE, have sought a review of the DFS directive relating to industrial relations meetings. The organizations have raised concerns over certain provisions and requested changes to ensure meaningful dialogue between management and employees. Bank of Baroda manager alleges harassment. A Scale 2 manager of Bank of Baroda resigned from service, alleging harassment by the regional office. The resignation letter highlighted concerns over workplace treatment, prompting discussions among employee representatives regarding the need for a fair inquiry. IBOBOA seeks action after BOB manager resigns. Following the manager's resignation, the All India Bank of Baroda Officers Association, IBOBOA, sought immediate intervention from the bank's top management. The association alleged mental harassment, demanded an impartial investigation, and called for measures to safeguard officers from workplace harassment. Women bankers renew menstrual leave demand. Women bankers have once again urged banks to introduce a dedicated menstrual leave policy across the banking industry. Employee representatives said such a policy would promote workplace inclusivity, support women's health, and align the banking sector with evolving employee welfare practices. Government orders on quarterly PSB union meetings. The Department of Financial Services has directed public sector banks to conduct structured quarterly industrial relations meetings with recognized unions. The move aims to improve communication between management and employee representatives while addressing workplace concerns more effectively. Fairfax finalizes IDBI bank deal. Fresh reports suggested that Fairfax Financial Holdings has been finalized as the successful bidder for the proposed IDBI bank stake sale. The transaction, reportedly valued at around $5.5 billion at 81 rupee per share, would mark one of the largest foreign investments in India's banking sector. 3,000 plus UPGB branches face lunch break issue. Employee representatives claimed that nearly 3,000 single clerk branches of Uttar Pradesh Gramin Bank continue to face severe staffing shortages. They argued that implementing lunch break display directives without adequate manpower could adversely affect customer service and branch operations. UPGB officers oppose lunch break order. The Uttar Pradesh Gramin Bank Officers Association opposed the recently issued lunch break circular, stating that the decision does not reflect the ground realities of understaffed branches. The association urged the management to review the directive considering employee workload. RBI seeks UPGB lunch break circular withdrawal. The All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association, RBI, also urged Uttar Pradesh Gramin Bank to withdraw the staggered lunch break circular. The association maintained that the policy would create operational challenges and further burden employees already working under staff shortages. 12th BPS pending benefits in RRBs. Several benefits under the 12th bipartite settlement are yet to be implemented for regional rural bank employees. Pending benefits include periodical health checkups, special pay, house rent allowance, washing allowance and halting allowance, with unions urging early implementation. Tamil Nadu Grama Bank temporary employees hold protest. Temporary employees of Tamil Nadu Grama Bank staged a protest demanding regularization of their services and implementation of various welfare measures. They also called for better service conditions and equal treatment with permanent employees. WBGBE and WBGBOI launch agitation over pending demands. The West Bengal Gramin Bank Employees Association and the West Bengal Gramin Bank Officers Association jointly launched an agitation seeking resolution of several pending employee demands. The organizations urged the management to address service-related issues through constructive dialogue.